Hey, welcome to this tutorial. This video we are going to see how to add advertisements to JV link directory at various places. Uh, Earlier, in versions prior to JVLD 4.8, we used to provide only a couple of ad spots where customers could actually add their ads. But with 4.8 version released a month back, we've actually scaled that system pretty enormously. We've actually given a very scalable and extremely powerful ad spec come ad system, which we're going to look at right now. So in this tutorial, we're going to add uh, an advertisement HTML content to, or rather, we're going to add a HTML content of an ad to, which is going to appear in all the category pages at a particular spot. Now let's start. Let's go to the administration panel for Joomla and then go to components, JV link directory, and advertisements. Now, the first step towards using this advertisement system is to define an advertisement specification. So we click on switch to advertisement specifications and then click on new. Now this is a pretty simple form which will help you define the specification for an advertisement, as we call as the ad spec. Now an ad spec can be visualized as a template or a blueprint that defines a particular ad type. Now to start with, let's give a title. So I'm going to say ad spec for category pages, and you can give an optional description, and then you're going to give the most important aspect, which is the ad spec code. And there is a particular format that needs to be followed for this, which is bracket JVLD underscore ad underscore, and here I'm going to say category pages. Now whatever follows the second underscore, you have the ability to choose. You can actually choose anything that you want over here. And then I'm going to leave the rest of the information as it is, as default. I'm not going to change anything. And then I say save. So the ad spec has been created. Now the next step towards adding the advertisement is copy this particular ad spec code, and since we want to have the advertisement appear in all the category pages, we'll have to go to the style template files in JVLD, identify the template file which actually renders the category pages, and then place this code wherever you would like in those category pages. So we'll go to the template, which is the styles, choose the default style, and then the style file which is actually rendering the category pages is tmpl underscore links.php. So we double click on that, it gets loaded onto the editor, and now we're going to browse through this file and identify the location where you want to place this particular ad spec. Now let's say we want to put the ad spec just below, let's say over here. Let's go to business. Now let's say I want to have my ad spec or the ad to appear in between the caption links in business and just below all the categories which have been listed. So I just need to locate that particular area in the template file. In this case, it's going to be over here. So I identified that. I've just pasted the ad spec code that was added over here. Now you might actually find it easier to actually spot the exact location in some of the template files, and you might find it difficult for a few others. Now please do contact us via the forums or open a support ticket in case you want to know how to, or rather where to place a particular ad in the template file. Now once you've added this, we go ahead and save, and let's go back to the specification. And now the specification has been created, so now we're going to move to advertisement section. So you switch to advertisements, and we're going to create a new ad. Now the reference ID can be left empty. JVLD is going to generate this. Now we're going to select the ad spec code for this particular ad and set 0 as the expiration date so that the ad is not removed after a particular date. And the most important aspect over here is the advertisement HTML. So you need to have your advertisement HTML ready. So I'm going to paste a particular affiliate HTML code over here, which I expect this to appear in all the category pages wherever this particular ad spec code has been added. So I'm going to save this ad, and now let me go to the front end and let me refresh the screen. Okay, so here we are. Now this is the HTML that we added, which is being rendered as a beautiful banner right in the place where we wanted that to appear. Now let's go back to say another category, let's say games. Since we added this particular ad spec code in a template file which renders all the category pages, this ad is going to appear literally in all the category pages. I hope you like this new highly scalable system for ad specs. This is very powerful and you can actually use it to monetize very heavily. Thank you.